We're going to be doing a beautiful rose cascade today that's braided. I'm going to be starting off with 3 panels, and this is going to be very similar to the Viking hairstyles that I've done before, where you want precision. So use something like a rat tail comb and section your panels off. I'm going to be starting with the one closest to the ear first to make sure that everything else is up and out of the way, and I'll pull down hair as I go to do each section. So this one, the hair is so thin and fine, I just braided all the way down. And now I'm going to do what I can to kind of pancake out just one side, and that'll be our petals. So as much as actually is going to be visible in the rose, because this one's going to be so small, that is where I'm going to put the details. So not as much as on the other ones that are going to be larger. On the second section, I'm going to be doing the same thing. Go down about 5 or so stitches and then start pancaking out, and a little bit more as we go. And you can see right here how tiny I'm starting off with. I definitely want these panels as detailed as possible so you can see the braids and they're not all just flowing together. They have their own sections, and that gives a lot more visual interest. Here definitely you want to go down just about 4 before you start pancaking out. Hold your braid as tight as you can, and when you get the petals out as far as you like them, braid down 2 more stitches and then go again at flaring out the petals. And how you do that is you grab each link and you pull more firmly as you move outwards. So just a little bit of a tug to start with and more as you go. And the secret again is holding the braid as tight as you can while you're pancaking the petals out. Now when I'm rolling these up, I want the braid roll to start overlapping on top of the braid as I go, so you can see every single layer of the petals. Once you get it into place, depending on how thick your hair is, you're probably going to want the smallest bobby pins from Sally's. You might be able to get away with the biggest ones on the top, but definitely investing in the smallest ones, you're going to keep your bobby pins hidden and it's going to look a lot more professional. Make sure to get as many layers of the flower as you can with each pinning and secure it to the hair on your scalp. Do the same with all 3, and there is your finished look. It's a little bit time consuming to get the detailing of the braid, but other than that, it's a very simple technique, easy to do. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please hit subscribe so you don't miss any more to come, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram.